Talk to him. Right. Listen, Chubby came home from the army and he lost his head. Saw his brother Smile sitting on a lot of bread. Decided he told like Charlie, never had the heart like Tookie. Broke foot Paul, used to rob rookies. Remember weed bags and yellow envelopes. Moving out the Colgate building from apartment 2C. Bitches strutting in they Reebok pumps. Rocking banks, tight Sergio Valente's ass all juicy. G-Money got knocked, this nigga started telling. So the big head Phil, Indian and Melon. Peasy still in the street like a teenager rebelling. Zanab lost enough weight. Cecile started swelling. Rest in peace to Bobby and Mike. Them niggas beat your head and Little Willie got married. I was the best man at the wedding. Warren stupid ass got knocked, talking a lot. Frontin' never move, shit out of spot. Hood nigga always would panic when they see a cop. Wanna never sit in the passenger seat of a drop. Warren older sister fish shine. Wendy would rock and talk loud for no reason. Fucking everybody on the block. Why I shot King, little brother got murdered with stumbles at the Pennsylvania Avenue pit stop. Shit drop while my thoughts travel and I walk about and tell a story niggas ain't around to talk about.
Always love that family, especially if we grew together. Every man should let a man live. Live and die by the honor, respect the code of loyalty. Never bite the hand that always give. And if the hand is ever bitten, instead of biting your own tongue, snitch on your family and run from. The only penalty is death. And as I lay you down, I still hug you with the passion of a loved one.
Rumor in the hood, Tech was a rapist, got knocked. Heard he had coffee and donuts with the agents. Told on so many niggas the agents was losing their patience. Started setting up wiretaps, whole block under surveillance. Goon sister did time, never dropped a dime. Whenever they questioned her, she turned deaf, dumb and blind. 2-2 missing, Gigi, I miss him. 2006, I think should be coming home from prison. Puma came home, and for that I'm happy to mention. Jail preserved the guard, nigga look younger than when he went in. End up on the wrong side of when the Glock 40 left. When the window killed Shaka, brother Steve up on 45th. Then they killed Ratcho in the back of the church. Think back and it hurts. See him carried in the back of the hearse. I wish he gathered them first. Watch his spirit spiral and surf into the heavens. Lay his body back in the dirt. Young with big money to chill. Interstate traffic, 500 gram of fish.